tough out here, we're grinding. Oh God, the bag might rip. I'm gonna try to walk quick so no one steals the bike. Take a photo, submit. Case.
You post on TikTok?
I do. Have a great day. Delivered.
Yo, can we get a picture with you?
Yeah, for sure, bro. Let's do it. Today we're gonna be doing Uber Eats on the world's most powerful dirt bike, the Stark Varg. Alright guys, we just got the Uber app downloaded and the bike fully charged. So since we're delivering food, we're obviously going to have a way to bring the food to customers. So I'm just going to be using this backpack. This is about the only thing that I could find that I can actually hold some food in. I've seen videos of guys where they put like a box or like a crate on the back, but I don't have one of those. So I'm just going to be doing the old fashioned way. Another thing to think about too is this bike doesn't have a kickstand on it currently. So I think I'm going to have to bring this stand with me and then just put it in the backpack. So when I get to customers' houses, I can set up the bike without having to lean it somewhere. It is disgustingly hot out today. It's 93 degrees right now. There's a heat advisory. So we'll see how many orders we can take today. And as you guys know, I live in the suburbs, so everything is pretty far spread apart. We'll see how much money we can make on the Stark today. All right, we got the app pulled up, guys. Let's click go online here. We just got our first order of the day, guys. We got to go to Walgreens, which is actually really nice and close. So let's get on the road. All right, let's get moving here. It's going to be a hot one today, boys. I'm already sweating. Let's cut through up here. So know what just kind of hit me that's kind of scary is I'm gonna have to leave the bike kind of unintended right here. That kind of makes me worried. I'm gonna have to leave the bike like right here. All right, well at least it says video recording in process. All right, let's go get Emily's order. I think we gotta go back here to the pharmacy, it looks like. I'm gonna try to walk quick so no one steals the bike. Hello. How you doing? I'm just picking up this order for Emily.
Okay. What is the address for everybody?
Cool. Thank you. Have a good one. Bag secured. And the bike's still here. All right, looks like we got about a 5-minute drive. Here we come, Emily. I like the bike.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I bought it last summer.
Nice. Where'd you get it from?
This thing rides like a Cadillac.
Does it really?
Yeah.
It looks like it does.
Yeah.
You have a good one, man.
You too, my friend.
Will do. Ooh, Bitcoin just hit 103K again. Fire. And we're close. I forgot to charge my phone. Hopefully it lasts somewhat long. It's already on 20%. I tweaked on that for sure. Okay, 14:11. I think we'll just prop it up on this tree. I don't want it to blow away. Take a photo, submit. Here we go. This is how you get good tips. Have a great day. Boom. Order complete. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the McDonald's. If we got an order right here, that would be amazing. It's been like 10 minutes, guys, and still no more orders yet. All right, guys, it's the following day. We got another order here. We're going to McDonald's, which is nice and close. I do feel like we should hit this jump since we're right here. This is the McDonald's we were waiting at yesterday. Thank you. So hard to type in these gloves. Done. Well, guys, I'm an idiot. I didn't really consider that some of these bags are gonna be bigger than my backpack, so I'm literally having to do this right now. It's tough out here, we're grinding. Oh God, the bag might rip. This is like the slowest ride of all time. Here we are. Boom. Submit. Have a good day. Still loading here. There we go. Delivered. Boom. Another order down. Well, here's the downtown part. Let's see if we can wait over here for an order. Let's get a quick snap of the bike. Fire. Just got an order too. 21 miles away. Yeah, come on now. Well, I guess in the meantime, we'll go hit some stairs, maybe try to find a jump. I swear every time I go past this building, it's a new restaurant every time. Yo, look at this. They're setting up for the fest, I'm pretty sure. These are all the rides and concession stands and all that. Let's go down this staircase. Yo, let's hit this little jump. All right, we finally got our next order. We got to go to Chipotle. Let's take the fuel efficient route. Ooh, we just missed the train. Guys, I just wanted to bring up too, if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, please drop a sub. That helps me out a ton. All right, we're already here. Alright, let's pick up this order here. Everyone's probably like, what's this guy doing right now? What's going on, man? I'm just picking up this order here. I appreciate it. You have a good one.
Yo, you post on TikTok?
I do.
What's your name?
It's DylanDoes. Have a good one, bro. Alright, bag secured. Confirm pickup. Alright, we got another 4 miles. Let's cut up real quick. Let's hop on here. Alright, we're getting pretty close here. Just gotta make the next right up here. Boom. Next. Have a great day. Delivered. Yes, sir. I mean, since we're right here, we have to hit this jump, right? Let's cut through here. All right, guys, we just got another order to the McDonald's right here. Appreciate it.
Are you a TikToker or a YouTuber?
Yeah, I do YouTube, bro. Thank you.
Yo, can we get a picture with you?
Yeah, for sure, bro. Let's do it.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
Wait, is your
We're on the road again. We're gonna have to carry this bag again. These McDonald's bags are massive. I feel like an idiot going this slow on this road. I just wanted to say, guys, thank you so much too for showing support on my videos. And a lot of people have been starting to come up to me and saying what's up in person. That's just absolutely insane to me. It's crazy how far we've come in a year. What's up, bro? I like the car. It's fire. I'm doing Uber Eats right now.
Bro, that's sick.
Alright, we're pretty close here. I'm pretty sure it's this building right here, this big warehouse. Here you are, my man.
Thank you.
You have a good one. Yep.
Yep.
Complete. We just got another order here. 10 miles away. Way too far. How have I never been back here before? Didn't even know this was here. Looks kind of abandoned. Let's cut through back here. See if there's a good spot to chill and wait for another order. Oh no. Yep, turn around, turn around. There's a cop right there. Let's just sneak through right here. This is a nice peaceful spot to wait for another order. We finally just got another order, but it looks like it's 2 smoothies, so I think I'm gonna have to cancel that. I don't really want to risk dropping someone's smoothies on the bike. Alright, we just made it back to the house, guys. After those 4 orders we took, we made about just under $20. So that's not too horrible. It's about $5 an order. If this is a series you guys want me to make on the channel, let me know in the comments. And if you guys haven't already followed me on Instagram and TikTok, please do that. It helps me out a ton. We're trying to get to 10,000 followers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.